My name is Flora Palokai. I got offered a full-time position with DTE, so ever since then I've been working with them full-time. I landed at Wayne mostly for the culture aspect. I think that there are a lot of different cultures here, both in the staff and the students. I think a big thing with doing my undergrad here and my MBA is that a lot of my classes were waived. I was able to finish my MBA in a year. My professors did a great job, and the department did a great job at providing resources for me to share, something that I bring to the table at different jobs and different networking opportunities that a lot of people recognize and appreciate. Wayne State is a place to collaborate and build your network and build a purpose behind connection. Wayne State provides many opportunities for you to explore.